Hi guys, if your Nespresso machine is stuck in the descaling mode and won't return to the normal brewing, don't worry. In this guide, you are going to learn properly exit descaling method on both Vertuo and the original models. So on the Nespresso Vertuo or the original machine, the descaling mode often stays active because the rinse cycle was interrupted too early. So you need to fill the tank with clean water and let the machine complete the entire rinse process without stopping it. For virtual machines, you can just simply close the lid, then simply press and hold the button plus lever together for about 3 seconds, and the light should stop blinking orange and return to the steady white. So this officially exits the descaling mode. Now on the original line machines, you can just simply press and hold the lungo plus the espresso buttons together for about 5 seconds. The lights will stop flashing once descaling mode is cleared with this particular combination. Now if the machine still shows you the descaling warning, you can just simply unplug it for about 1 to 2 minutes and then you can just simply restart it. Some of the newer Nespresso firmware versions store the descale state until a full reboot occurs. So these are the steps are going to basically help you to properly exit the descaling mode on most of the Nespresso models. So let me know if any of these methods work for you. Thank you.